Hi guys, it's VVS and welcome back to my channel. If you would please give me a subscription down below. Go ahead and subscribe and also click on that bell icon. It will give you notifications whenever I do a new video. And give me a like while you're at it. Okay, you guys, we're going to get into this video. This is as promised, LOL Surprise Bling series. Yes, it is the infamous Bling series that we have the blingiest dolls that you will ever see. Okay, I'm going a little overboard because I've been so ready to open this. And I finally get to open it today. Yay! And you guys are here with me to watch me. I am so glad that you guys are going to be here with me to watch me open it. I'm super excited. She says, unbox me, unbox me. They always say that. So in this Bling series, of course, we have 7 surprises. And we all know what we have. We have the little clue. Then we have our stickers that show whether it's a wet baby, whether they pee or they cry. And then we have their bottle. Then we have their accessory. And then they have their clothing and another accessory. And then, of course, the doll. So we've got 7 surprises in all. Okay, let's get into her. Let's go ahead and open up our LOL Surprise Bling series. I've been trying to make sure that I do an unboxing at least once a day. Because like I said, I've got so many of these to unbox. And I try to figure out which one I'm going to start with first. That's one of the biggest things for me, is to try to figure out which one to start with. Because I've got like different types of things and I want to know what you guys actually want to see. I've been getting some views, so I know that people are watching, so I want to know what you guys actually want to see and if I'm doing a good job. So leave me some comments down below and let me know what you'd rather see, if I'm doing too much of one certain thing, or if you have a different thing that you want me to try, or some new toys out there that I may not know about. Okay, so here's our clue. Can you see that? There's our clue. Can you figure out what that is? It looks like a bullseye and some stars, some sparkle stars. Can you figure out what that says? Okay, let's see if you figured it out. It's glitter on point. Glitter on point is a clue. So see if you can figure that out. See if you can figure out who we got by that clue, glitter on point. But yeah, like I was saying, I would like for you guys to leave me some comments and let me know what I'm doing good, what I could do better, and also what you'd rather see. If you have some toys out there that are new and that you'd like to see an unboxing of, just leave me a comment in the comments. And if I can get to it, I'll try to unbox it. Okay, here's our next layer. Getting closer. It's kind of hard and you gotta pull it off the little dangly thing. Okay, and here's our next surprise. Okay, now it's all about the bling, of course. And you glow, girl. You glow, girl. I'm going to try to glow as much as possible. That's what I want you guys to do. Always glow. Always put your best foot forward. And always let your light shine. No matter what anyone else says, you do you. And let your light shine. Because no one else can be you better than you. So don't let anyone tell you that you can't do something, because you can do anything you put your mind to. That's how the world works. Put your mind to it and work hard and you can achieve. Okay, look at there. We're getting closer. See, it's similar. The Sparkle series is very similar to this. Okay, now we've got our clear layer, the very last layer. that we're gonna peel off. And here we go. It's the last layer, you guys. I think I'm getting a little better at getting through these layers too. It's kind of weird doing it on camera when you're trying to unbox and you're trying to peel the layers back. It's just different than when you're just sitting there peeling it off yourself. I'm gonna have to peel this one back. Here we go. Here we go. This is that last clear layer. And here we go. We got the ball out. Look at there. You ready to see who we got? Are you ready? Okay, let's get it open. I love the way they package these. They put the little tissue paper on there and make it like a little gift that you're opening, because it is a gift. Look at all those goodies in there. Look at there. Look at the silver packaging. It's so festive. Ooh. It's like a party in here. Yeah, we got a LOL surprise party going on in here, you guys. Yes, look at all these surprises. Of course, we got the instruction booklet. Of course. And then we have the guide that shows us who all you can possibly have in your bling series. They're all looking good. It's all about the bling, of course. And you glow girl, of course. They're all so posh and so pretty. And here they are. These are the possibilities. And I don't have very many of these from this series, so I'm very excited to see who I get. I have probably 2 or 3 from this series, so I'm still trying to collect them. And they're so very cute. Is it showing and not? It looks like it's kind of blurring it a little bit, but you know what they look like. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. But let's get into the surprises. You're like, let's go ahead and get into surprises. We know what they look like. Okay, you guys, let's start with these little packages first, as I always do. Fix my ring. And of course we got some shoes. Ooh, very sparkly, very cute. These aren't just shoes, you guys. These are skates. Look at that. They're ice skates. They're so cute. Look at those. They're really, really cute. I love them. Ugh, it's blurring. I want it to not blur. Is it showing? Yeah. Okay. I was trying to get it to focus. They're so cute. They're little ice skates. Look at there. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to our next package. I'm excited because I know I don't have this one. I know for a fact I don't have this one. You guys, look. Look at there. Look at that. It's so exciting that my unicorn fell back. You stay here, Uni. My unicorn fell back. It's like, oh, look at there. So we know it's someone that's in the ice because those look like earmuffs. Huh. Exciting. Okay. Let's move along to the next package. So who do you guys think we got based on that? You remember? You remember who you saw? Who do you think we got based on just that? Oh, and there's the cup. There is the sippy cup, the water cup. Yes, and of course it's bling down on top. And it's matching her beautiful little ice skates. Okay. Excuse me. And let's go to the next. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You guys, look. Aw, that is super cute. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? Is it blurring out? There. Isn't that so cute? Such a cute little dress. It's like an ice skater's dress. Look at that. It's beautiful. And of course it's blinged out. But of course it is blinged out for our bling princess. So, who do you guys think we got? Is the suspense killing you? Do you know who we got in here? Who do you think it is? Who do you think we got in here? Get me out, get me out, let me out, let me out. Well, whoever it is, she is really raring to get out and see you guys. Oh, and she's out and she's splitting. She's a cutie patootie doing her splits. Yeah, I'm here. I am proud to be here today. Yeah, hi you guys. She is so happy to be out. Of course she is. She is loving it. Look at her. She's beautiful. Oh, we can't let you fall over. Isn't she pretty? Look at her hair. Look at her hair. Look how sparkly it is. Oh, we don't want to look at her bum bum. Look at her beautiful hair. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. And look at her little leggings. She's got on little leggings. Hi, you guys. You like the splits? Yeah, I'm doing splits for you guys. Okay. So do you see who we have? Do you see her? Yeah. We have Ice Skater. Yes, and she's a fabulous. Yes, she is. I am so happy to have her. She's beautiful. I don't have her, and she is beautiful. I love her. Let's put her clothes on her. Let's dress her up. Yeah, Mom, put my clothes on, dude. It's cold in here. All you guys get out and say it's cold. But it is, Mommy. It's cold. Please put my clothes on. Please, 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 please. Okay, we'll put your clothes on. Because you asked very nicely. You said the word that everyone has to say. You said the magic word. Please. Aw, Mom, thanks. You're welcome, baby. And here's the skirt. Put that little skirt over that bum bum. We don't want people seeing the bum bum. And let's put on your ice skates. This is such a cutie patootie, you guys. She's so very cute. Look at her. And get your water bottle. I can't wait to do the color change and the water test with these. I'm gonna get them all together and do the color change and the water test to see who does what, because that will be really cute. That would be so cute. I'm trying to give her water bottle. Hi, you guys. She's strutting her stuff. Strutting her stuff. I'm strutting my stuff. I am strutting my stuff. Yeah, strutting my stuff. Yeah. I love playing with these dolls. And then let's put her earmuffs on since she's so cold. Put her little earmuffs on. So she is ready to go. She is out and ready to play, you guys. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love her. Look how pretty she is. Hi, you guys. How are you doing? Are you subbing to my mommy? Please give her some subscriptions and like all of her videos because she loves us very much. And she loves you guys too. Yeah. Isn't she precious? Okay, let's put her up in this. So of course, there's feet on there. I don't know how that's going to work with her having ice skates on hers. I wonder if they probably didn't take that into consideration when doing that, because I think she's the only one that has like ice skates on. So she might not fit. Her feet may not go all the way into that where you can like close it or whatnot, but you can always try. And she'll definitely be able to be put in there if you want to keep her in the ball. Sometimes I put them in the ball, but she's probably not going to stand up. But I was just trying to show you how they look when they're in the ball. And I think I've shown you that before. But look at her. She's beautiful. ice skater. Yes, she's an ice queen, and she doesn't take any fluff from anyone. She does not. She makes sure that everyone knows who's in charge, and she skates around and does what she needs to do. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. She's so pretty. I love her. Okay, I can't sit here playing with the doll all day on because I am very mesmerized, because like I said, I love her. I have been wanting to get her in my collection, and I finally have her. Yay! And I was able to open her while you guys were watching. Well, we're done doing our unboxing, you guys. Thanks for watching. Again, subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and give me a like if you like what you see. Thanks a bunch. Have a wonderful day.